Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Hey everyone, happy Monday. It's Jeff from Mantiques Network. Hope you had a nice weekend. What we have here is a BIRELEY'S orange soda tin thermometer sign in very nice shape. It's freezing ass in Southern California for Southern California. I am from Chicago, so I forgot. If you take a look there, I don't even think the thermometer has any, it is in there. 6 degrees, yeah, matter of fact, I think it's working. So if you are a fan or collector of BIRELEY'S or just want a great thermometer sign, I believe this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.